highest common factor. Highest common factor. Now please write down, sir. Highest common factor. How am I going to take the class? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Same structure. First is definition based problems. Definition. Then we will discuss intermediate level problems. Intermediate level problems. Intermediate level problems. Once we are comfortable with definition, we will start with some foundation problems to understand all the key points that we discussed. Then we will discuss advanced level problems related to HCF. How many factors for 21,600 has HCF 45? Advanced problems. Finally, once we are done with this one, then we will discuss exam model problems. Exam model problems. These are the flow charts which we are going to use to solve highest common factor related problems. At least close to another 3 hours we will take in discussing HCF. The same structure, whatever we used for LCM, the same thing we will use it for highest common factor. Definition, foundation based problems. I hope it is clear now. HCF. Now, concept. First write down each and every concept we will discuss. Suppose if I take two numbers, 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Suppose, what do you mean by a factor? 6 is divided by a number and the remainder is 0. 6 is divided by a number and the remainder is 0. So, x is called a factor of 6. X is called a factor of 6. X is called a factor of 6. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. Let me take this number as n1. Let me take this number as n2. Let me take this number as n1. That means, what are all the factors for n1? n1 divided by x. X is a natural number. What are all the values x I am getting it? They are called the factors for n1. Are you all with me? These are called the factors for n1. n1 such that n1 when divided by x, remainder will be 0. Similarly, n2 when divided by x, n2 when divided by x, remainder it is 0. What are the factors of 6 such that remainder will be 0? Because x is a natural number. 6 by 1, remainder 0. 6 by 2, remainder 0. 6 by 3, remainder 0. 6 by 6, remainder 0. Remainder 0. Denominator should be a natural number. Factors we are taking under the set of natural numbers. 9 divided by which all numbers? It will be factors. 9 by 1, 9 by 3 and 9 by 9. 9 by 3. These are nothing but the factors of 9. We require, let us take the common factors. Let us take the common factors. Let us take the common factors. Common factors are 1 and 3. I want the highest common factor. Highest common factor among 1 and 3, it is 3. This is the traditional definition of HCF. How to determine HCF? Write down the factors for a given number. Write down the factors for a given number. Take the common factors. Take the highest factors. Instead of 6 and 9, if it is 100 and 120, writing down the factors of 100, writing down the factors of 120, writing the factors common, taking the highest one. It will be a little tiresome process. That is the reason we will discuss the various methods to find out HCF. Various methods to find out HCF. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Through these slides, you will also understand the difference between LCM and HCF. Listen carefully. One by one I will solve. HCF. HCF. Method number 1. HCF. Method number 1. First question, HCF of 6 comma 12. HCF of 6 comma 12. If I want to compute the HCF of 6 comma 12, method 1 says go to the smallest number. A multiple means we went into the largest number. I will draw an analogy here so that it will be clear. LCM method number 1. In LCM method number 1, what we did, LCM of 6 comma 12. 6 comma 12. In method 1 LCM, what we did, we went into the largest number. We went into the largest number. Multiple will always be greater than factor. We went into the largest number. We checked whether the largest number is divisible by every other number. 12 is divisible by 6. So I wrote 12. Suppose if the question is LCM of 10, 20, 60. 10, 20, 60. How did we found out LCM? We went into the largest number. Largest number is 60. Is 60 divisible by 10? Yes. Is 60 divisible by 20? Yes. So we wrote the largest number. Here we wrote the largest number. Here we wrote the largest number. In highest common factor, we will take the smallest number. We will take the smallest number. Take the smallest number 6. Is 6 a factor for every number? Is 12 a multiple of every number? That is LCM. Go to the smallest number. Go to the smallest number. Go to the smallest number. Check whether it is a factor for every number. 12 factor, it is 6. So answer is 6. 5 examples which we will solve. HCF of 10, 20 and 30. HCF of 10, 20, 30. In LCM, I will go to the largest number. In HCF, I will go to the smallest number. Smallest number, it is 10. Check whether 10 is a factor of every other number. Yes, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. Smallest number, it is a factor for every other number. So smallest number will be the answer. Smallest number will be the answer. Is the idea clear? One more. HCF of 15, 45 and 60. 15, 45 and 60. 15, 45. Take the smallest number. Take the smallest number. Check whether the smallest number is a factor for every other number. So 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60. It is 15. It is 15. Suppose fourth point is important. This will help me to solve a lot of questions. 1 comma 23 comma 37 comma 143. What is the smallest number? 1. 1 is a factor for any number. Answer is 1. Please write down this key point. HCF of 1 comma any natural number. 1 comma any natural number, it is 1. 1 comma any natural number, it is 1. We are doing under the set of natural numbers, so it is 1. HCF of 1 with any natural number, it is 1. Left hand side HCF, it is there. Right hand side LCM, it is there. Right hand side, I will take the largest number. Check whether the largest number is a multiple of every number. Largest number is a multiple of every number. Largest number is the answer. In HCF, go for the smallest number. Check whether the smallest number is a factor of every other number. HCF, it is highest common factor. Factor will always be less than or equivalent to LCM. That is the reason in HCF I will take the smallest, LCM I will take the largest. Method 1, similarity between HCF and LCM. I hope it is clear. Then method 2. Method 2. One by one, starting from basics, we will discuss everything in detail. Method 2. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Once you understand, you don't need to spend so much time on this one. Method 2. HCF. Let us do LCM method 2. LCM method 2. This is the beauty of thematic based learning, sir. LCM method 2. Whatever we did it in LCM method 2, we will write it and then we will draw a similarity with the HCF. What we did yesterday, LCM of 6, 9. 6, 9. Largest number I took 9. 9 is not a multiple of 6. Question is LCM. Take the next multiple of 9. 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? 18 is divisible by 6. So the answer is 18. This is what I did yesterday. LCM model 2. Take the largest number. In method 1, largest number is a multiple of every number. In method 2, largest number is not a multiple. Take the multiple of 9. 18. 18 is a multiple of 6. Second example. LCM of 20, 30. LCM of 20, 30. 30 is the largest number. Largest number is not a multiple. I took the multiple of 30, which is 60. 60 is a multiple of every other number. 20. 60 is a multiple of every other number. One more example. One time if you listen, that is enough, sir. 9, 12 and 18. 9, 12 and 18. 18 should be a multiple of 9 and 12. No. Go to the next multiple. 36. 36 is 9 4s are, 12 3s are. It is 36. This is what we did it in LCM method number 2. HCF method number 2. LCM of 6. We are doing HCF. Listen carefully, sir. The beauty about that structured way of learning is, again I am doing. Now 1 minute, sir. HCF of, again 3 examples. HCF of 6, 15. HCF of 6, 15. What we did, a largest number, if it is not matching, I went into the multiples because it is LCM. Now it is HCF. Go to the smallest number. Smallest number, it is 6. Is 6 a factor of 15? No. Take the next factors of 6. What is the next factor? 3. Does 3 divides 15? Yes. Answer is 3. I hope it is clear. I went into the next multiple. I went into the factors for 6. Next one. HCF of 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25, 45. HCF of 15, 25, 45. Take the smallest number, 15. Is a 15 a factor for 25? No. Go to the next factors for 15. What are the next factor for 15? 5. 15 has got factors 1, 3, 5, 15. If 15 it is not working, go to the next largest. Go to the next largest. Is 5 a factor of 25? Yes. Is 5 a factor of 45? Yes. Answer is 5. I hope you understood the idea. Both LCM, the way that we are doing with multiples, HCF, the same way we will do it with factors. Third question. HCF of 14, 28 and 35. 14, 28 and 35. 14, 28 and 35. I need to find out the HCF. Listen carefully. Take the smallest number. Is 14 a factor of 28? No. What is the next largest factor which will divide 14? 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. Answer is 7. Answer is 7. I hope the idea it is clear. Fourth question. 16. It is 48 and it is 18. 16, 48 and 18. 16, 48 and 18. Go to the smallest number. Smallest number, it is 16. 16 is a factor of 18. No, not possible. What is the next largest factor for 16? Which is 8. We will write down the factors for 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 16 is not working. 8. 8 is not a factor of 18. Next is 4. 4 4s are, 4 12s are 4 fours are 16. It is also not working. Next it is 2. Next it is 2. Next it is 2. I hope it is clear. Now if you observe method number 2, these not working, these not working, these not working, these working. So many steps are required. To condense these number of steps, there is a minimum difference method. That also we will discuss it in the next methods. Method 2 for LCM, method 2 for HCF. Similarity, I hope you understood. Take the multiple of the largest. Take the factor of the smallest. Take the factor of the smallest. Take the multiple of the